Yesterday, you said tomorrow. Hello motivated people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ray and I am going to be unboxing this new Create 365 fitness planner. Now if you've been here before, I believe my last video I showed you that I had just picked up the smaller version of this, and after using this for about a week or so, I decided I wanted something bigger. So I told you guys that they did have this. I got it from Joann's and they had a sale, plus I had a coupon, so I combined it and I went ahead and I purchased this. So we're going to be unboxing this to see exactly what's in it and how it can be used to reach your fitness goals. So if you're ready for that, stay tuned. As I said, I got this from Joann and this comes in a box, and let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside together so we can start using it. And what I'll probably do is move whatever I have recorded in this one and move it to this one. And when I saw this the first time, I should have went and I'm gonna pick up my handy dandy knife. I knew I probably should have gotten it when I was there, but I didn't know if I would want to need it, because I do have bigger journals or planners already, but I'm not a one size fits all person. So when I do workouts, I actually can, what do you call that? I usually don't do the same workout every time I go to the gym. So I can't just write down walking or running as a workout, or things like that. I work different body parts on different days. I have different programs that I do for myself, so I want to be able to write that down and write down more details, because I'm a pretty detail-oriented person when it comes to my fitness. So you'll see that about me. So when you first open up when you first open up this box, you are greeted with your stickers, a pen, and these sticky notes, these flags here. So I'm going to show you what's here first. These are your stickers that you will receive. Top row right here says gym. This says yoga. I don't do yoga. Then you have don't give up. You have some motivational quotes here. Then you have these workout stickers, exercise stickers, 1 pound at a time, eat smart, work for it, exercise, cardio, which I think is very beneficial. The next page is a gold tone foil type stickers, and it says gym. You have your little hearts, goal, you can do this, never quit, never give up, keep going, arrows, all that good stuff. And this right here, that's pretty cool. You can write down your heart rate on certain things. And then here, as like the small version, this version is also came undated, so it does have your dates here that you can use, that for the monthly parts of the the planner. And then you have little hearts here, BPM, day off, me time, race day, no excuses, don't forget. Okay, the next sheet of stickers, you have workout goal stickers, calorie burn stickers, what else do you have? Workout satisfaction, you have weigh-in stickers and things like that. Free day, and you have workouts here, so it says workout and you put the workout that you did. Like I said, like my workouts, I'm pretty much kind of detailed. So like Mondays are usually leg days for me, so I do leg days, and I might do a HIIT workout, which is a high intensity interval training workout, but we'll talk about that later. And then you have a quick stats sticker sheet, quick stats, feeling great, your running time. This is really, really good. I think things like this, I know you can record things like this in your phone, but like I said, it's something about writing things down and seeing it and being able to go back, and it's just a little different for me. So certain things I do really enjoy writing down. So those are the sticker sheets. that come with this. Yeah. And then you get a nice black marker. And it's a thin felt, if you can see that. Very pretty. Okay, so I'll put that here. I also got a box of stickers that I will show you after we do the flip through. So let's make sure there's nothing here. Anticipate this being a great gift for, especially maybe even Christmas, maybe for someone that has talked about working out. You wouldn't want to just give it randomly to someone that you know, but it would be a great gift for someone if you wanted to give them something. So anyway, so right here you are greeted with some sticky notes, and it also comes with a magnetic holder. Was I trying to figure out what this is? So of course you open it up. I'm gonna stick this here, and you're greeted of course with a plain page. So of course, if you don't want, which I'm thinking of, if you don't want this photo here, if you don't want this oh my goodness gracious, if you don't want this cover, you can go ahead and flip it around and make it your own. I do like in the it's the same as the small one also. Like I said, I do have a video on that one, so you can go ahead and look at that. But you're greeted with, it is, okay, let's take this off. Okay, good job, Rick. Okay, you're greeted with live well, and you can write your name there. As like the mini, you have the 12-month progress tracker where you can record your weight, chest, waist, hips, thigh, upper arm, and other. And as we covered, you can add anything you want to these. If you don't take certain measurements, you know, use it, make it your own. So here you have a bigger space for your calendar for each month. So you would take a sticker and place it here, and this can be used in many ways. You can write out your program on this calendar. Now with the small version, it was less space, so you have this month, and these are things that you might want to, your goals you can put here. I guess that's how I'll be using it. You can use it however you would like to, but for me that's how I would be using it. So you have your days of the week, and for me, you put your dates here, and then you write what you would like to, what program you'll be doing that day. So for instance, like I said, I will write legs here, and yeah. So let's keep going. The next page is going to be, the next series of pages is going to be your weekly food and exercise log. Now, down here, you would write down, here you would write down your meals, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner, and your calories. I would also recommend writing down your calories, because as your weekly goals, writing down maybe your macros or your goals in eating that week. So say like if you are cutting carbs that week, you might want to put that here. If you have a macro count, which I have, you might want to write that in this book, or put it on top just to give you an idea. Now I do have apps for this. One good one is called MyFitnessPal, which is the good one I recommend. Like I said, sometimes writing it down and then being able to go, let's say you gain weight one week, you can go back to a week where you lost and see what you did that week and see what you can tweak the next week to make a difference. So that's why I do like this. And of course you record your water, and you can record your actual exercises that you do here. For instance, when I say actual exercises, yesterday I pulled up to the gym, and my daughter just started bawling, crying, and I was like, this isn't going to work. So I had planned to do a cycle class that day, but I just knew if I went, she was not going to stay, and it just didn't make any sense. So I had to modify the workout that I did, and I did something with them instead of going to the gym. So that is, you have a few pages of those there. And then right here you have your progress selfie, same as the big one. And then it has same as the small one, the mini. How was I successful? How did I feel? Well, how do I feel? What didn't go so well? What motivated me? What I can do differently? And how many stars do you give yourself? Now, with this being a bigger version of this, I wish that this could have been a weekly a weekly page, because your weeks change. As a woman, you know that your weeks change. So, you know, I think writing this down every week is very important. I love these questions, but I feel like they are weekly questions. I wished that they could have been maybe incorporated here, but you can do that yourself. I will do it myself, probably on my weekly goals, because I feel like these are important questions to ask yourself going into the next week to see what you should continue doing, or if you should change something. So of course, then you have all your months here, and like I said, they're a lot bigger, so I'm not going to bore you by going through each month. This is the first time I'm going through this. I don't know if you want to see each month. You have, of course, you have different, oh my goodness, you got this. This is the same as the backsplash. This is the same as the cover. Oh my goodness. Okay. And I'm wondering if that's it. And if this is going to meet why I got it. And this might be it, guys. So we have that. And that's it. Very basic, very simple. Very basic, very simple. And that is the flip through for this Create 365 Happy Planner. Now I also picked up some stickers to use with it, so I'm going to show you what I got, and we're going to open those and see what they are. And I'm glad I did. These are the fitness sticker rolls. It contains 480 pieces, and it has 5 sticker rolls. So let's open it up and see which stickers they have provided to make this, using this planner, more beneficial. This is going to be a great video. My next video is actually going to be planning my workouts. So that's a different video, not this one. Not going to be that long. Well, it depends on what you consider long. But I'm on handy dandy knife. Okay. So we have, I'll show it to you, the step stickers. We have meal planner stickers, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have, I like these stickers. These are strength training and cardio stickers. These, and then they also have, these are also scale stickers. On these stickers, I think, okay, yes, they do. I know they do have a place in the actual planner to write down per week how much you lose. But they have stickers for that you can either write the date on, not the date, you can write your exact weight on, or you can write how, if you plussed or minused, which is probably how I will be using it. And then you have here, there we go, look at that, magic. This is a workout log, so you put your activity, your time, and your calories burned, which is very important, like I said, because you would want to go back and see if you need to modify anything or keep anything the same. So this is going to conclude my main planner is an Erin Condren. That's why I keep saying that, even though I was in Joann's yesterday and they have all the happy planners in there and they are beautiful, and the accessories and the filler paper is like great. I love that they have the options to add filler paper, and I've talked about this in some of my previous videos that I like to journal. I actually am going to add, I didn't want to buy it yesterday because I didn't know what was in here, but I will go ahead and buy filler paper to this, so I can go ahead and replicate this page weekly. But I love that you're able to add filler paper to these, because I think it's very important to journal at all times about everything. So that's what I like to do, and I have lots and lots of journals and planners because I like to write and document my life. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Next video, I'm going to be going ahead and using this, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like and share this video with someone that it might be helpful to. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a great day and stay motivated. Bye.